Akothee. I am the founder and the CEO of Akothee Foundation. I am an entrepreneur. I'm a mother of 5. I have 3 beautiful girls who are graduates now. They're pursuing their masters. And I have 2 handsome boys who are pursuing their education in Europe. I am the director of Akothee Academy, a school which is focusing on providing holistic environment that nurtures talent, developing skills, and providing an environment where everybody have access to basic needs. Well, just to cut the long story short, I'm really a sad mother from whatever I'm seeing going on news, left, right, center. We have left our children in the hands of nobody. And it looks like community have equally abandoned the children that we are supposed to focus on and build a nation. I believe each and everybody is coming from a background that has a family. Therefore, I believe that a strong family is able to build a strong community, and a strong community builds a strong society. And with a strong society, we have a strong county. And with a strong county, we have a strong nation. If we neglect these young stars coming up, then we do not have, we wouldn't have continuity. This one happens each and every year, that the moment children do exams or examinations, stories are popping up of children who are not able to join secondary school, forgetting about the basic needs of like food, shelter, just the motherly care and things like that. We only focus on, children are out there and they can't go to school, they can't join Form 1. How about the care? How about who is there to stand up as their mother? Who is there to care for them when they're sick? Who is there to hold their hands when they're down? Who is there to motivate and inspire them? So I am asking all my fans and everyone in Kenya right now, stand up for any child around your community that is not having a parent or is an orphan or neglected. I learned about John through Mr. Edward, who aired a story of the young guy who scored good marks and was not able to join secondary school. And the boy touched my heart. Whatever touched me was not his education or not being able to pursue his education. When he said, I don't have anybody, sina mama. Well, to those who are mothers, especially single mothers, you know what that means. When someone says, sina mzazi hata mmoja, it means I have nobody to stand up for me. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. I don't know why, but these stories are just, sorry. I wish that I could be able to provide a hand and a home for all these vulnerable children. And that's why I set up Akothee Foundation. However, my hands are tied. I can't help everybody. But I believe I've held hands of hundreds of children who are now driving cars, who are now earning their living. The only time they can remember they didn't have parents is when now they want to go and visit. But I think I've done my level best to provide that warmth as a mother. And I really wanted to hold that boy and be the mother, especially when he said, sina mzazi hata mmoja. I felt like he was talking to me. He was directly talking to me saying, Esther, I want you to come and be my mother. So when I called Mr. Edward and I told him, okay, well, I'm not feeling very well. I think I have energy burnout. Could you get hold of that boy and bring him to my home? And he said, we have gotten days of my life. You got Nyamira High School. And I loved that song. Sasa karibu. Acha wapite chakula tukule. Ndio tupige story, sio? Mimi na watoto wengi nafikiri watafika saa hii na gari ya shule. Lakini watoto wangu ambao nimewazaa hawako hapa. Wengine wamaliza shule, wengine wako Ulaya. Sasa karibu hapa ni nyumbani. Are you happy to stay with me?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hautaniogopa? Karibu sana. Lakini kama kuna uwezo, vile tuko na uwezo sasa hivi, shule gani mikoa yako inataka yenye marks inaweza kutupeleka? Ungependa kwenda Kanyawanga, Kanga, Makori? Ujui?
He has no idea
okay.
about the school.
Okay. So it's Kanyawanga kao jigi? Okay. 320. Yes, kwa sawa. Mimi mzazi, niko na watoto 5, wasichana 5, vijana 2, lakini